Yes, that will complete. Okay, after
Today what lesson?
today the story on the road lesson I taught you in the last class, no? That lesson we will write question answers now. Okay. After writing question answers, we will do the activity. Okay. Okay, Tanishka.
Okay.
Yes. Is everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So very good afternoon to you all. So those who are ready, please show me your thumbs up. Those who are ready, show me your thumbs up. Okay. Yeah. On Monday, I said you to bring your paper, right? Is everyone ready with the paper?
அப்பா சொல்லிச்சு கத்திரி எடுக்க சொன்னாங்க.
Bye, Richard. Bye. Very good, very good. Any paper, any paper. See, the Eric Jero is having the paper. All of you see, Eric Jero is having a nice paper.
Ma'am, color paper I cut in square shape.
Very good. Very good, very good. Okay.
I did two
Very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, very good, Danny, very good, Jocelyn, very good, Siona, very good, Eric, very good, so Priscilla, very good, Uday Karthik, very good. Just keep the paper aside. We will complete the classwork. Then we will do the activity. Okay. Yes. Yes, Eric Jairo. Yes. Okay. Jaron John, have you taken your English book? Have you taken your English book? Okay. Okay, Nandini, okay. Okay, now all of you. Yes, English book, take page number 60. All of you take page number 60. Those who did not switch on your videos, kindly switch on your video. Anticipen, Jenison, Jose, Tanishka, Lemuvel, Intiros, Deborah Esther.
Page number camera on
Page number 60. 6060.
No, இது ஓகே. இது தாத்தா மேல இருந்து எடுத்து தந்துச்சு.
Yes.
Okay pa. We are gonna make paper plate number 60. Okay.
We will do page number 60. All of you take page number 60, 6060. Have you taken? Yes.
அப்பா நான் எடுத்துட்டேன்.
Yes, in C, switch on your video in 3.
அப்பா எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அவங்க டாக்டர் போறது ரோடா அப்பா.
Switch on your video. Page number 60 in your English book. 60.
ஆமா எடுத்துட்டேன்.
Have you taken?
டிரா பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கவா சொல்றாங்க. Yes ma'am.
Okay. So in page number 60, look at the top. In top, can you see 3 questions there? 3 questions there. Yes.
Yeah ma'am.
Yes. What sound do you hear on the road in the morning? What other sound did you hear in the morning? What other sound did you hear in the morning?
Bird sound.
Yes, bird sound, a newspaper boy, a vegetable seller. Children.
Crow sound.
Yes, the bird sound, the vegetable seller sound, the newspaper boy sound, as well as the children who are going to school. Their sound. So these are the sounds we heard in the morning. So on the top of number 1, you have little spaces there, no? Page number 60. So in the top of number 1, you have some small spaces there, no? There you are going to write. Okay? Yes?
Yeah ma'am.
So, in top of number 1, you write this answer. In the, write little small and write neatly, okay? In the morning, I hear the,
Where do you want to write?
at the top of number 1. At the top of number 1, you have spaces there, no? There you can write. Here the
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, in the
Yes, you can see, no, the reading is fun. Something reading is fun is written, no. Down there you can see some small spaces there, no. At the top of number 1, there you write. In the morning, I hear the sound of birds. Newspaper boy. Newspaper boy.
in the
Vegetable man.
in the morning,
School
I
children.
read here. Ma'am, I don't have space.
Write little small. If you don't have space, you can write it here also. Listen, children. Listen, all of you look here. Number 1 is there, no? Here top you can write, otherwise here in this side near that picture is there, no, the top there also you can write. Write neatly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm not having space, ma'am.
Write little small and write at the top. Okay, near that picture is there, no, one girl is having the book, no, there you write. If you have don't space means just put an arrow and write continue there. Shrikant, are you writing, Shrikant? Nicely smiling. Jesu? Jesu Mario? Take your English book, okay? Take English book, page number 60.
Okay, ma'am.
So take English book, page number 60. Number 1, you can see number 1, no? There at the top, you have some space, there you write. So write neatly. If you don't have line, just put an arrow mark and continue above.
அப்பா இவரே தாத்தா என்ன சாத்து குடிக்க சொல்லுது.
Yes, Richard, are you writing, Richard?
ஓகே கண்ணாடி கலட்டிட்டு
Yes,
குடிக்கடா.
write neatly. Shrikant. Abdul.
அப்பா மிச்சவங்க
Abdul Muzabir, are you writing?
எல்லாமே இருக்காங்க.
Right.
ஓ அதான் அடுத்த இதுக்கு போக மாட்டேங்கிறாங்களா மேம்? நான் எல்லாரையும் பார்த்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். எல்லாரும் எழுதிருக்காங்க.
Okay. Now look at the second question. Look at the second question.
Vegetable man selling.
Yes, anyone read the question loudly?
What is the vegetable man selling?
Okay, what was the vegetable man selling? What was he was selling? What he was selling?
Vegetable man was selling peas, cauliflower, cabbage, potato, cucumber, radish, carrot.
Very good, Sienna, very good. So all of you, in next to number 2, you have some small spaces there, no? There you continue, okay? If you don't have line, you can continue in the next line also, no problem. The vegetable man what is the vegetable man selling? The vegetable man was
Hello.
man. We'll write in present. Okay, the vegetable man is selling peas, cauliflower, write neatly.
B-E-A-N-S, you put B-E-A-S, ma'am.
Sorry, sorry, I didn't get you. Anyone say something? Yes, Priscilla. It is peas, cauliflower. Then what else? Cabbage. Then
Cabbage,
then
cucumber, radish, carrot.
very good. Potato,
Yes.
potatoes,
And next, carrot.
cucumber,
Carrot.
cucumber. Then radish and carrot. Okay. Cucumber, radish,
Radish.
and carrots. Okay.
Tomato.
Tomato and all he was not saying. He was having that these are the vegetables mentioned. Okay. You can write all these or any three. No problem. Write neatly.
Radish, tomato, and carrots.
Yes, very good. Aslam
Appa,
Khan.
the screen வைங்கப்பா. அப்பா full screen போடுங்க.
Write neatly. Amy Pollen, are you writing Amy Pollen? Very good, very good. Right. Spell it and write neatly. Okay. Eric Jero completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, completed.
Those who completed, very good. Those are writing, be little fast. Mohammed Safan. Are you writing, Mohammed Safan?
Yes.
Nicely keeping your hand in your cheeks and looking at the book. Are you writing? Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am, you want to write in the screen
Page number 16, number 2 question. Question number 2 is there. No, next to that, next to the question mark, you write.
ஏன் இப்ப கீழ வேணும்னீங்க?
Very good. Okay.
எனக்கு
Shall we go to the third question?
Yes,
Okay. Before writing third question, I'll tell you one thing. All of you listen. Before writing third question, listen. Third question answer is little big. Okay. So you write it in the last. Okay, in the page. At the bottom of the page, you can see. No. Yes. You can hear them. You have this page right here. You are going to write. Okay. Yes. Since third answer is little big, you will write at the last. But you should put the number. Okay. Put number 3 and write. Put number 3 and write. So for third answer, what you are going to do? You are going to write in the. Here is the third question, right? Here is the third question. So you go to the last, at the last page, okay? At the page of the last bottom, you will write, put number 3 and write it here. So, anyone read the question? Richard, read the question.
Why?
Yes,
Okay.
read.
Why the road is annoyed with the crow?
Okay. Why is the road annoyed with the crow? Why was the road
Why?
annoyed? Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am,
Yes?
why we have to
Okay, listen. Third question is here, no? So at the page last, you have some space, right? Here you write. Okay. So now tell me, why was the road
Ma'am, I
annoyed?
can't hear you.
Now, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Priscilla? Yes?
I can't hear you.
Now, can you hear me now?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Is my voice audible to everyone? Is my voice audible? Yes, Eric Jero.
Ma'am, I can hear you. Ma'am, I can also hear you. I can hear you.
Yes, all can hear me. So, Priscilla, you sit in the proper network, Priscilla. Okay. Now, write the third question. Tell me, why was the road annoyed? Why was the road annoyed with the crow? Because 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 the crow was repeatedly telling to wake up, wake up, wake up. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, because the crow was keep on telling wake up, wake up, wake up. But the road was already awake. So the road was annoyed with the crow. Okay.
Vegetable.
Who is that?
அப்பா
The road is annoyed.
போட்டுன இது மேம் எழுதவே இல்ல
Write neatly, okay? Then only I'll put smiley. With the crow because the crow is cowing. What is cowing? Cow, cow, cow was a sound made by the crow, right? So the crow was cowing.
கௌ
Continuously means continuously to break the road.
அது எழுதி முடிச்சிட்டேன் தேர்ட்
Was
ஒன்
already awake. Are you writing? Write neatly. If you don't have space, continue down. Okay, continue down. Put the number and continue. Yours.
Ma'am, marriage zero completed.
Very good, Eric Zero. Very good.
But the road.
Those who are writing, write neatly and write little fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Then only we can do the activity. So write neatly
Okay,
and
ma'am.
little fast.
Okay. தேர்ட் ஒன் நான் முடிக்கல நான் முடிச்சிட்டேன் awake
You write meanwhile I'll take your
complete.
very good. You just write, I'll take your attendance. Okay. All of you write, I'll just take your attendance. Completed everyone?
Yes, ma'am. My homework is completed.
Okay, okay. Those are writing, please be little fast.
Ma'am, Mohammed Agil completed.
Very good, Mohammed. Very good. So those are
Ma'am.
writing.
Ma'am, no,
Yes.
wrong. Mistake.
What?
You put cucumber not finished.
Sorry for cucumber. I have put in double C. Only one
Did
C
you
will
all
come. Okay, sorry, children.
கேட்டாங்களா?
For cucumber, only one C will come. There will be no two C. Only one C. Sorry.
ஓ வசிய கட் பண்ண சொன்னாங்களோ? ஓகே.
So those are writing. Be little fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed.
நான் அத கட் பண்ணல, நான் ரப் பண்ணிறேன்.
Write fast and only we can do the
எத்தனை
activity.
क्वेश्चन பா? எத்தனை क्वेश्चन? செகண்ட் ஓகே. No ma'am.
What? No. Who said
Ma'am,
no?
Richard finished, ma'am. Richard finished. கட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Very good, Richard. Very good, Richard.
அப்பா நான் கட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Very good, Uday Karthik. Those are writing. Be little fast, children.
Use can and cannot alternatively in the following sentence.
So everyone completed.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, right. Those are writing. Write little fast. Yes. So shall I stop here? So in page number 60.
அப்பா எல்லாரும் முடிச்சிட்டாங்களா?
So all of you look at page number 60. In page number 60, you can see down one dash is filling the blanks is there, right? Yes or no?
Ma'am, you
Yes.
told us homework. Yes, ma'am.
That is your homework. Okay. The fill in the blanks is there. That use can and cannot alternatively in the following sentence. That is your homework, as well as page number 62. In page number 62, all of you turn page number 62. All of you turn page number 62. Eric Zero, are you taking Eric Zero? Playing with the pencil?
62
In page number 62, you can see the picture is there, no?
ஆமா, நிறைய காசு போகுது.
They have asked, okay, look at the picture and write 4 sentences. So looking at the
என்ன
picture, you
சொல்றாங்க?
can write 4 sentences. Who is calling me, ma'am?
அதுல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? அது sentence
Yes, who is that?
ஓ,
I can't hear you. Anyone said anything?
sentence இல்லைம்மா.
Yes, Abdul Musavir, want to tell something?
Yes, ma'am.
What you want to tell me? Tell.
Only 10 minutes is there, ma'am. I
only
can't
10.
see the word.
Huh?
Ma'am. சரியாப்பா.
Yes.
I can't see the word. என்ன sentence எல்லாம்
Yes, you can
சொல்றாங்க?
see the river. You can see the vehicles. Yes, you can see the zebra crossing. So these are things you are going to write in page number 62. Okay? Yes.
சொல்லும்ல. என்னெல்லாம் பாக்குறேன்னு
Yes, tell me.
நான் என்னெல்லாம் பாக்குறேன்னா, அதுல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு தெரியுமா? அதுல காசு
Listen, children.
இருக்கு, road இருக்கு, grass
Okay,
இருக்கு,
now
tree
listen.
இருக்கு.
Those who completed, very good. Those who did not complete, don't worry. I will send it if you need. I will send it in the WhatsApp. So what is your homework? In page number 60, you can see down one filling the blanks is there. No can and cannot alternatively. That is your homework. As well as in page number 62, you can see the picture is there. No. So whatever the things you can see in the picture, that you are going to write. That is your another homework.
What you see?
Okay. Okay. So today evening you will be having Okay. Yes. That you are that. That you write. Okay. That whatever you see in the picture, that you write. That is your homework. Okay. Today evening you will be having your Max UT. Okay. Max UT, and the portion is give and take. Okay. Give and take in your Max book is there. No, your Math Magic book is there. No, third lesson. Third lesson. Math Magic book. Third lesson will be your UT portion. Today evening we will be having in Flip Learn at 6:30. Okay. Are you clear? Till now, anyone is having any doubt? No.
No doubt.
Okay. Now, shall we do the activity?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, all of you have a paper. All of you have a paper.
Activity, yeah.
Have a paper like the square shape paper. I need a square
Okay.
shape paper.
It's a day.
Okay. Everyone is having a square shape paper. Yes. Now, what you are going to do? Just fold. Okay. You are going to make it as triangle. Make it as triangle. Fold it like this. Fold it like this.
Paper, ma'am.
You're not having paper, Ajesu. No problem. I'll send it. You do it at home and paste it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll send the steps. So,
Ma'am, I don't have paper.
Who is that? In last class itself, I said you to bring paper, no? Okay, those who are having can do it along with me. Those who are having can do
Ma'am,
it.
my paper is in my photo room, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is what we are going to do. So all of you do the step. We
Okay.
are going to do by step. Okay, first you are going to fold it like this. Okay, then open it. Then open it. After opening it, just keep this as a center and fold it like this. Look at step 2 and do it. Is everyone doing? Do like this. Okay. After doing like this, turn to back. Okay, turn to back and fold. This you are going to fold the up one. Okay, the which is empty. No, that you are going to fold like this. Till here, everyone completed this and fold it back. This till here, everyone completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After doing, okay, keep it like this. Just fold it.
Now,
Okay, what
screenshot
you're going to do,
போடுடா.
just turn like this and fold it like this.
How do you do? நான் அப்படியே screenshot போடுறேன்.
See the procedure I have shared. Okay, this is what
I don't know how to make a triangle.
triangle you don't know to make a Richard. Richard, the paper is like this, no, Richard. The paper is like this, no.
அப்பா நான்
Just make it
screenshot
like this.
போட்டேன். Like this. சரியா?
You just fold it like this.
வீட்டுக்கு வந்த
Fold it
வரைக்கும்
like this.
சொல்லிட்டாங்க. Okay. I'll now fold like this. Okay.
Then show me.
Then next I'll again open and I will put this like this.
Have you done?
I'm like this, sir. I'm like this. This is like this. Like this.
No.
This is like this.
No.
I'm Richard having a A4 sheet.
Yes, Richard, you are having a A4 sheet paper. You are having a big paper.
Yes,
Having a
ma'am.
big paper. I want a small paper like this in a square shape. I want a small paper.
Mom, I didn't take square shape. Mom, I did 4 shape paper only.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Just make the paper half and cut it. Cut the paper into half. Okay, everyone till here, everyone did?
ஒரு board செய்ய சொன்னாங்களா?
Just fold it like this. Till here, everyone did? Okay, now what you are going to do?
Cannot make like that
இப்போ
triangle.
நீங்க வீட்டுக்கு வந்த பிறகு சொல்லிட்டாங்க இன்னைக்கு ராத்திரில.
Ma'am, I got a A4 sheet. Ma'am, like this.
This you're having.
நான்
Okay.
கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஸ்பீக்கரை கலட்டி வைக்கிட்டா இது சவுண்ட் கொஞ்சம் கேக்கு.
Extra paper you can cut.
நான் முன்னாடி எல்லாம் இப்படி கேட்கலன்னா அவுட் வச்சுட்டு கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆஃப் பண்ணி லேப்டாப் கொஞ்ச நேரம் அதை வச்சு கொஞ்ச நேரம் கேட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை மாட்டி வச்சு நல்லா சவுண்ட்.
Do it like this. Do it like this. Yes, like this. Okay. Now what are you going to do?
Is it like this?
This page is there, no?
Is now is it nice?
Yes, show me. Down. Bring it. Very nice, very nice.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now keep this like this. Now keep the paper like this. Okay. Now what are you going to do? Just fold it. Fold it. Turn it back and fold it. Okay.
Okay.
Fold it. Turn it back and fold it.
Yes.
Till step 4, everyone completed. Step 4. Don't worry, I will send the step. I will send the step also. Don't worry. Okay, Chin. Yes. Very nice. Very nice.
Next step, next.
Now, one paper extra is there, no? Just you spit it out. Okay.
I can't.
Just one extra paper is there, no? That you have to bring it out. Yes.
And there are no extra paper.
No extra paper, listen. This way you have done, no? This you have done, no? So here one small opening is there, no? That you are going to bring it out. One small extra cover is there, no? This you are going to bring it out.
Ma'am,
Yes.
not having a printing machine, ma'am.
Printing machine.
How to do?
Look at this step. Look at the first step. You just fold it into a triangle. After, look at the step. I have shared the step. No, look at the step. Okay, look at the step. No problem. I will send the step in the WhatsApp. You do it at home and show it to me the next class. Okay? Yes, Richard. No need to worry, Richard. You can do it at home and send it tomorrow. Okay, Richard?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
What about other children? What about other children?
அப்படி பண்ணல இங்க பாருங்க. Okay,
தெரியல எனக்கு ஒண்ணு
ma'am.
அப்பா நீங்கலாம் இப்ப ஹாஸ்ட் பா. ஆமா இப்பதான் நான் பார்த்தேன். You are a host now.